What have you done with my machine?
Your machine? I don't know what you're talking about. What machine?
Do you want to play games?
Catch! Don't worry, ma'am. I'm coming.